Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Oppo Reno 15 and the OnePlus 15. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Oppo Reno 15 comes with a massive 200 megapixel wide main camera, while OnePlus 15 has a 50 megapixel wide main camera. Big difference in megapixels here. Oppo Reno 15 features a 50 megapixel telephoto and 50 megapixel ultrawide, whereas OnePlus 15 packs a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and a 50 megapixel ultrawide lens. Oppo Reno 15 can shoot 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p up to 240 frames per second. OnePlus 15 goes up to 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second. Oppo Reno 15 runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8450, while OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on 3nm tech. Oppo Reno 15 has an octa-core CPU, and OnePlus 15 also comes with an octa-core CPU, but OnePlus 15's CPU is more powerful overall. For graphics, Oppo Reno 15 uses Mali G720MC7, while OnePlus 15 packs the Adreno 840 GPU. Oppo Reno 15 has a 6.32-inch display, slightly smaller than OnePlus 15's 6.78-inch screen. Oppo Reno 15 comes with AMOLED, and OnePlus 15 steps it up with LTPO AMOLED. Oppo Reno 15's resolution is 1216 by 2640 pixels, while OnePlus 15 pushes 1272 by 2772 pixels for sharper visuals. Oppo Reno 15 supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, while OnePlus 15 goes higher at 165 Hz for smoother scrolling. Both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 reach 3600 nits peak brightness, so daylight visibility is strong on both. Oppo Reno 15 has reinforced glass protection, while OnePlus 15 uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 both offer 12 or 16 GB RAM options, plenty for multitasking. Storage options are similar, with 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB on both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15. Neither Oppo Reno 15 nor OnePlus 15 supports a memory card slot, so internal storage is all you get. Oppo Reno 15 has a 50 megapixel ultra-wide front camera, whereas OnePlus 15 sports a 32 megapixel wide front camera. Both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 can shoot 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second for selfies and video calls. Oppo Reno 15 packs 6200 mAh, while OnePlus 15 goes bigger with 7300 mAh for longer usage. Oppo Reno 15 supports 80-watt fast charging, and OnePlus 15 is quicker at 120 watt. Both phones feature glass backs with aluminum frames, so premium feel on both. Oppo Reno 15 measures 151.2 by 72.4 by 8 mm, while OnePlus 15 is a bit larger at 161.4 by 76.7 by 8.1 mm. Oppo Reno 15 is lighter at 187 grams compared to OnePlus 15's 211 grams. Both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 come with stereo speakers for immersive sound. No headphone jack on either Oppo Reno 15 or OnePlus 15. Oppo Reno 15 has an under-display optical fingerprint, while OnePlus 15 uses under-display ultrasonic. Oppo Reno 15 includes accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. OnePlus 15 adds a barometer to the same sensor set. Both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 support 5G connectivity. Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 both support Wi-Fi 802.11 standard dual-band speeds. And finally, NFC is available on both Oppo Reno 15 and OnePlus 15 for contactless payments. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.